Right, so I'll just take out all the stuff that I got here. Alright, so I'll try and separate everything for what we actually traded for, if I can remember. Alright, so what we traded for was this Berlinwood split ply, this Berlinwood wide Harrier Foyd graphic, and this flat face G14. And then we also traded for these two FBS boxes. She's put some extras inside there, I'll get into those in a second. And then there's a load of stickers here. We've got a Black River poster. I would name all these stickers, but it's going to just take too long, so. There's a load of stickers there. And then into the extras. So first I've got this flat face G12 with a really nice blue bottom ply. So thank you very much for sending that. And then in here is something that I'm really excited about. She told me about this. So first I got some flat face team bushings, then some gold screws, some wheel washers, and then finally what I'm really excited about, some blue oak team wheels. Oh my god. So thank you so much for all of those extras. It's the second time I've traded with Nadira Dol, and she always sends really good extras. So definitely check her out and subscribe to her. She also recently got sponsored by Decade Fingerboard, so congratulations to her on that. And just to go through again, this is all the stuff she sent me. We just traded for these 3 decks, and she sent me all of these extras and some oak wheels, which are pretty much brand new, so thank you very much for that.